Hey swallowtails, hey honeybees, happy Tuesday. Ready to do some math? Today we're gonna work with numbers that are bigger than 10, but smaller than 20. 11, 12, 13, 14. We're gonna practice making those numbers with our tens frames. We're gonna practice writing those numbers so that we can think about how many tens and how many ones. So I have this card here, and we're gonna use this card every single time. 10 plus more, and we'll find the sum. So the rest of the cards that I have are between 0 and 9. So if you want to make your own at home, I have the numbers 0 through 9 on the rest of the cards. Let's choose one. I chose the number 2. So if I have 10 and then 2 more, do you know what the sum is? Let's try it. First, I need to fill one of the 10 frames to show the number 10. Today, I'm going to use these little circles. You might recognize these from the classroom. Okay, so I'm going to fill my 10s frame all the way up to make 10. And then I still need 2 more. 1, 2. Well, take 10, put it in your head. Now let's add on 2 more. 10, 11, 12. That's right, the sum is 12. Practice writing the number 12. Do it with you. 1 10 and 2 1s. Keep writing it. 1 10, 2 1s. Let's write it 5 times. 1 10, 2 1s. 1 10, 2 1s, and one more time. 1 10 and 2 1s. So when I started with 10 and I added 2 more, the sum was 12. Good job. Let's do it again. Remember, I'm always going to start with the number 10. So I have my tens frame over here that's full. I'm going to leave it full because we're going to start with 10 every time. And I'm going to pick a new card. Now I have the number 1. What's the sum? What's the total if I start with 10 and I add 1 more? Do you know? Take the 10, put it in your head, put it there, put it there, put it there, and add on 1 more. After 10 comes, that's right, 11. So I only need 1 more dot on the other 10 frame. So I have 1 that's full and 1 that only has 1 on it. Let's practice writing the number 11. This time, the digit in the tens place is the same as the digit in the ones place. But remember, their value is different. They're worth different amounts. This is worth 10. Whoops, 10. The other one is only worth 1. So they look the same, but their place value makes them different. From the sky to the grass, sky to the grass. Practice writing the number 11. Tell somebody at home what place value each number is in. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Great job. 10 plus 1 more gave us a sum of 11. That's right. Let's pick a new card. Remember, whoopsie, I'm going to keep the egg carton full every time because every time I'm starting with 10 and adding more. Let's see. The next card has the number 9. Woo! Do you know what the sum will be if I add 10 and 9? Let's try it. Count with me to put 9 circles on the next 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my next tens frame is almost full. There's only one empty spot. 9. Well, take 10, put it in your head, and let's count on 9 more. Count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The sum is 19. Practice writing it. Remember, we had 1 10 and then 9 ones. 19. Write it 5 times. 1 10, 9 ones. 1 10, 9 ones. 1 10, 9 ones. When I started with 10 and added 9 more, the total was 19. I almost had 2 10s. How many more would it take to make 2 10s? You're right, just 1 more, and then I would have had 20. All right, last one. Clear off my 10 frame. Always start with 10. So here's my full egg carton. And I'm gonna pick for the last one, the number 6. I thought it was a 9 again, but I was holding it upside down. 6. Okay. Do you know if you take 10, put it in your head, and you add 6 more, do you know what the sum will be? Let's try. Count with me. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had 10 and then 6. Let's count on. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're right. The sum is 16. Practice writing the number 16. Remember, it has 1 10 and 6 ones. Write it 5 times. 1 10, 6 ones, 16. 1 10, 6 ones. 1 10, 6 ones. 1 10, 6 ones. 1 10, 6 ones. 10 plus 6 more gives me a total, gives me a sum of 16. I always like doing these math videos with you, and it makes me super happy to see pictures and videos of you doing the math at home as well. So keep sharing those with me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you and talk to you soon. Bye.